Well, hello there. Welcome to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to make honey teriyaki T-bone steak on the stove, all with smothered onions and peppers. Wow, let's do that, okay? Is your mouth watering? Me too. 1 second. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to add is some grapeseed oil. If you don't have grapeseed oil, you can add olive oil, vegetable oil, whatever oil you use. Okay? Alright, so I just put enough in to coat the bottom so that you can see down here very little, right? I would say that was probably, I don't know, 4 tablespoons. Okay, and we're going to let that heat up a minute. And then what we're going to add to it is some cut up onions, some bell pepper that have different colors there, yellow, red, orange, so it brings some nice color to it. This is our star of the day, T-bone steak that I already seasoned. You can use your seasoning. And marinated honey teriyaki sauce. Wow, this is gonna make it pop. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's add the onions. And the peppers. And we're gonna season the onions and peppers. A little black pepper. Ground garlic, and I do not want to add any salt because teriyaki is made from soy sauce, which is a salt. So I want to put that on first, and then I can adjust the matter of the salt later. Okay, so I'm going to give this a stir. Okay, so I'm going to let this cook for about 5 minutes, okay? And we'll be back. Okay, so our peppers and onions have been cooking for about 5 minutes. So what I want to do is I want to pile them all to one side so that they can continue to cook, but have room for the steak to come in. And they'll just be like hanging out for a few minutes over here on this side of the frying pan, okay? Alright, so now I want to add a little more grapeseed oil for the steak, a couple of tablespoons. And now we're going to add our star of the day, the T-bone steak. And put that in there. And I'll let that cook. I'll check it in 5 minutes and turn it over. And we'll be back. I'll show you every step of the way, okay? Alright. Okay, so it's been 4 minutes. I want to check. Okay, so I think I would like to turn it over at this point, okay? So it's been cooking 4 minutes. Yeah. Let me show you the progress. See? Okay. And of course I want to stir my vegetables. Okay, I want to take the vegetables out now because I don't want them to get overcooked. Okay, here's our sauteed onions and peppers. Okay. Now we're going to let the T-bone steak cook about another 4 minutes, and then I'm going to take a temperature. I'm looking for a reading of 140 degrees with our thermometer. This is our thermometer. You should get one. They really, really help. It helps you to cook your meat accurately without any guessing. Okay, so while it's cooking on one side, I want to add this honey teriyaki sauce. Okay. Just want that to flavor that steak. So then I'll turn it over on the other side and put the honey teriyaki sauce on the side that's cooking now in about 4 minutes. Okay? Alright, we'll be back. Okay, so it's been cooking for about 3 minutes. I'd like to turn it over. Put the marinade sauce on the top. In 1 minute, I'm going to turn that over so that that marinade can adhere to the steak. So let me give you the word of the day while we're waiting this 1 minute, okay? Let's see. Word of the day. You know, there's some people that you like and don't like, or you don't really care for, but unfortunately they're always in your face or at your house or in the family. Okay, learn how to deal with that person, okay? Because everybody has issues, and you can deal with them if you learn how to deal with them, what to say, not say, how often you should be in their presence, and that sort of thing, okay? Learn how to like those that you don't like. Learn how to show love to those that you don't like, because God put them here on earth just like you, and somebody is able to deal with them. Maybe it's you. Okay? Alright, let's check on our steak. We're going to check the temperature, alright? Okay. Okay, I'm going to cut the fire off at this point, and then we're going to check the temperature. Oh, we're there. We're at 145. We want it 140. That's a medium rare. So we're good. Okay, let me take it out and let you take a look. That's our steak. Now we're going to put our peppers and onions on the top. That's it with that's the T-bone steak with the peppers and onions. Let me take a look and see how I look with it. How about that, huh? T-bone steak with peppers and onions. Mmm, yummy. Now let me take a taste. Okay. Wow. I like the honey teriyaki sauce. Really, really good. So maybe you can try that. I think you'll like it. Go ahead, give it a try. Okay. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If this is your first time here, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon, okay? Thanks. Bye-bye.